Servitors and servo skulls roamed this tomb. They would have needed the access code.